हरे कृष्णा। विश यू ऑल अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी होली। आप सब लोगों को रंग भरी होली की बधाई हो। आपके जीवन में ये अनंत खुशियाँ लेके आए। होलिका दहन से शुरू होता है ये पर्व, और होली जिसमें हम खेलते हैं, एक दूसरे को रंग लगाते हैं। सो द स्टोरी फ्रॉम द वैदिक scriptures is about Prahlad Maharaj, a great devotee of the Lord, and his father Hiranyakashipu, who is anti-Krishna, anti-Vishnu. He considers himself as the Lord of the earth planet because he was the king of the earth planet. So he considers himself God. Because Prahlad Maharaj is a great devotee of Vishnu, so he tries to kill Prahlad Maharaj by several means. Throws him from the mountain, tells the soldier to kill him, drown him in the river. But Prahlad Maharaj was saved every time by the all-merciful Lord. Hiranyakashipu had a sister, Holika. She had a boon from Lord Brahma that she will not be affected by the fire. So Agni Dev will not affect her. So Hiranyakashipu thought that if Prahlad Maharaj and Holika could sit together on burning pyre, then Prahlad Maharaj will be destroyed. So Holika sat on the pyre with Prahlad Maharaj on the lap, and due to the mercy of the Lord, Prahlad Maharaj was saved and Holika was burned. Rakhe Ram, Mare Keh, Mare Ram to Rakhe Keh. If the Lord wants to save you, nobody can do anything. If the Lord wants to destroy, nobody can save. This is one part of the Holi festival. The other Holi festival is that from Basant Panchami until the actual Gaur Purnima or Holi, 40 days Lord Krishna plays Holi with Radharani and Gopis. Lord Krishna used to always complain to his mother Yashoda, why my color is Shyama, is blackish in color, bluish black in color, like a color of the cloud, Meghavarna. And Radharani is very fair. So Yashoda mother said to Krishna, go and color Radharani in any color you like. So from Basant Panchami they start to play Holi in Vrindavan until the actual Holi day. And Krishna used to go out and color Radharani and all the gopis put together. The message we need to take from this is we are all covered by the darkness of jealousy, greed, anger, all these colors. But Holi, we color ourselves with the love of God, with the love of Krishna's. We color ourselves with that love and remove those negative thoughts away from our life. Also, this festival, if we have differences with any of our relative or friend, we should try to patch up those differences. So people go, even if they have differences with one another, they go to each other to greet Holi and color them so that all differences can be dissolved in that color of love. The third most important thing on this day is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the Krishna himself, came on this earth planet in the year 1486, which is about 500 years ago. About 500 years ago. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, but he came with the Radha's love in him. So Krishna and Radha together is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he freely distributed the most rarest thing which is only available in the spiritual planet, Golok Vrindavan, that love of Krishna he freely distributed to each and every one. On the Gaur Purnima day, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's took incarnation on this earth planet. So we all can take this message of the Lord, which he made for the people living in Kali Yuga so easy to attain, that Krishna's love can be attained by simple chanting of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So the founder Acharya of ISKCON, Srila Prabhupada, established this chanting of the holy name because in Kali Yuga we don't have time. Everybody is very short of time. You even ask a kid, he will tell you, I don't have time. But chanting of Krishna name is so easy. You can chant while driving, you can chant while doing your walk or any other work. The women can chant during doing their kitchen work, housework, or even in the office when they get a break. So we can chant at any time, at all times. So I request you all to take up this chanting of Hare Krishna, which is such an easy process to attain love of Krishna. So once again, on this Holi, we wish you all a very, very happy, delightful, enchanting and a colorful Holi to you and your family. God bless you. Hari Bol.